100 pounds would be easy.
Oh, damn, the wind is... Yo, this wind's at least like 55 kilometers a second, but what the fuck? 10 miles? Sure? Yo, this jacket's not 10 miles per hour, bro. Holy! Yo, we need to do a drop test real fast, bro. For sure. Let's do a drop test. Yo, this jacket's not 11 miles per hour, it's 11 kilometers a microsecond. God damn, it's gonna rain. It has to be out running today. Hell no, bro. Hell no. Yo, this one's crazy wind, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh. Air tractions are flying. Nah, they're not. Oh, no. Isn't that case here? This is badminton.
Yeah, this is great.
I like to call this the badminton condition, then, bro. Isn't it great? Yeah.